Respected sirs, engineers, friends, and general public, kindly look at this photo of ST and LT line crossing. Kindly look this. Okay. At the bottom of this 11 kV pole, there are some advertisement boards there, which is not as per rules and regulations, and it is very dangerous for the line staff for climbing this 11 kV pole. How a lineman can climb this pole when this hindrance is there? And as a matter of fact, the electrical supply company, during their patrolling, as per IS code 5613 rule 17, they shall remove all these things and they shall not allow. Secondly, kindly see, there is no danger board, barbed wire. And here, I think some cable is running, maybe TV cable or like that. This is also not allowed. Now, kindly look at this. Look at this 11 kV pole and the LT line passing by it. The clearance of the conductors is so less that on two conductors plastic pipe is wrapped to avoid getting the 11 kV pole charged by the 80 voltage. But the person or the worker or the agency who might have done this work should have visualized that in case there is a heavy wind or some jerks on the poles or conductors, the bare conductors will touch the pole and get the LT voltage and putting human animal to a risk of life by touching this 11 kV pole. And this is not the proper method of installing or crossing ST-LT line. And for this, there is a standard method of which typical method of installation of LT on ST line is given below. Please see. You seems to be dangerous, but actually how the work could have been done. This is like this. Please see this 11 kV pole and LT line crossing on this. On this there are brackets, LT shackle insulators, etc., so that the conductors are firmly held by the pole and there is no chance of any conductor touching the support. And this is as per IS code 5613. And such photos, videos previously I have already loaded on my YouTube channel. Still such very, very dangerous works are going on in the field. And this is a clear indication that this work might have been left to the laborers who do not know the electrical science and electrical technology. And such works are to be carried out under supervision of an engineer or an electrical supervisor, because it is the responsibility of electrical supply company to keep their network hazard free as per CEA regulation 12. But this is not hazard free. This is very hazardous work. And in electrical construction and maintenance, there is a ladder of percentage checks. The junior engineer, SDO, executive engineer, and surprise visits by other higher authorities also. Moreover, there are inspections, and I do not know why such dangerous things are skipping from the eyes of so many expert people and so many checks. I do not want to talk much, but this is a death trap to human and animal, where question of life and limb of a human and animal is covered, and every human and animal has got a right to exist on this planet. I think I will not talk much, but this rectification is done as per the principles given in this typical drawing. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief Engineer MSEB and National Safety Council member. Such dangerous works causes huge loss to the nation in course of time. Hence, my worry and request, kindly subscribe to my YouTube video channel for such safety-related videos to spread safety awareness among engineers, staff, and authorities, and a red signal of danger to the public to be away from such dangerous spots. Public should be always away. Public and the animals, they should not come in touch of such posts. Thank you.